Please note that appropriate C-spine precautions should be maintained throughout the usage of the Papoose in line with hospital procedure. Position the infant with the arms to the side, shoulders down and head aligned centrally. Carefully log roll the infant and center the device behind the head and torso. Ensure that padding extends beyond all edges of the plastic. Apply the head strap, feed the strap through the slot on the opposite side of the patient's forehead, then back on itself to attach the end to the hook and loop fastener. The length of the leg strap is adjustable to accommodate varying body lengths. To adjust, lift up the blue pad at the bottom of the device and unbutton the bottom strap. Refasten using the appropriate hole for the patient's body length. Secure the leg and waist straps in 3 steps. First, the left hook and loop waist strap, followed by the leg strap, then the right hand hook and loop waist strap. The scratchy hook should always face away from the patient's skin. The Miami Junior P0 size front can also be utilised. Flare the sides of the front out, slide up on the chest wall and scoop up underneath the patient's chin. The sides of the collar should be orientated up off the trapezius and then alternatively fasten the straps. Ensure that they are secure and then trim off any excess as required. As part of the aftercare for a patient wearing the Papoose, the brace must be removed regularly in order to facilitate both skincare checks and also cleaning. We begin by unfastening the head strap, undoing the collar and removing the anterior section. We then undo the hook and loop waist strap, When in this position, we can then check the patient's skin to ensure that there are no potential pressure problems. Sorbatex padding can be removed in order to facilitate replacement or cleaning. When replacing the pads, ensure that you have the dull hook Velcro side facing down and engaging with the plastic shells. The pads themselves can be hand washed using a mild detergent and rinsed thoroughly. Pay careful attention to ensure that no plastic edges are passing over the Sorbatex padding to come in contact with the patient's skin.
If you have any further questions, please contact your local area sales manager or us here at Össur Academy.